The bike needs a wash. Master Moto Madness. What's up, Master Moto people? Today we got some jet skis. You know, switch it up from the bikes. Get the water style. It's a little dirty, but this is how we getting it in South Florida. Alright. So we got what'd you call this? The stator. Flywheel, magneto. So basically we're gonna take this flywheel off. Or state, whatever the hell you want to call it. It's a flywheel to me. We're going to take this flywheel off without pulling this motor. Got the computer cleaned up. Check it out. This bad boy. It's got to go on this. When it goes on that, you screw this screw in, and it's going to pull this whole thing off. So we're going to go ahead and screw this on here. You're going to need the appropriate tools. Alright, gotta go. When you're pulling something like this, get this a little tight. You're gonna need 2 wrenches, see, obviously, because the motor's spinning. You're gonna need 2. Get that a little tight. Get yourself a hammer. Just send a little energy through there. Try to get a little warmed up. So let's go ahead and try to get this thing done. Nice. Alright. So, righty tighty. I believe so. You don't want to be on the flywheel. You don't want to be on this. You can break it, damage it. She's tight. Whew. Wow. They're really tight. doing light taps, flat hammer. You know. Hello. And boom! I'm gonna have to put that in slow-mo right there. Nice. Take this off, not too much weight. And that's it, boys. And that is it. There she is. You see the taper lock? This needs major cleaning. We're going for this bad boy. Alright. Look at this thing. I don't even know if this is salvageable. Check her out, nice and clean. Got the gears looking good. We use a little touch up right here, you know, get this nice and shiny. See, I didn't want to sandblast in here and ruin this. This is nice and good. Clean this up a little bit more. Ready to go. This is a necessity. Don't want to grind down too much, but make it nice and smooth. For the homies. Like I said, we got this old one, which doesn't look too bad, right? Not too shabby. We got the new one. Definitely looks a lot better. But this piece right here that I'm trying to spin with my fingers is frozen. And this brand new one. What do you say? Put her in and get her done?
Put her in and get her done.
Get her started?
Rip the shit. Let's get it.
Come on.
Does it slide right in there, Dave, or not?
You gotta work with it a little bit.
You gotta work a little bit, alright.
Yeah.
Gotta find that hole, right? Is it a hole you slip in?
Yeah, it's a hole.
Alright, alright.
It's got like a couple gears that you gotta slip in too, you know? You gotta, it's a puzzle. It's not just, you know, right in the hole.
Take your time, guys. Take your time.
Damn. Damn it. Try not to lose patience. There she is. Come on. Come on, baby. Get in there. Oh, yeah.
If y'all still watching, make sure you hit that like.
Put the notification button on, too. We haven't been uploading much, but, jet skis. Times are changing. Remember to line up that keyway.
There we go. Oh. And how tight are you tightening it?
Fucking tight.
You heard that, guys? Fucking tight. Make sure this shit don't fall good.
Alright.
Alright, Mama True. Let's get it.
Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Right here. If you roll here, if you roll here. Good, looking good. Sorry, Miss Jackson. Sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, out there for real. You're for mental. Oh, got the bottom up. Ooh. It is the balloon.
Putting everything back together now.
Yep. Put these hoses back on here. Got that little son of a gun on there. This bad boy.
we go.
Alright, let's put some water up this thing. You ready?
Ready.